Hello again. Today I will show you my settings again. Normally when I'm doing flight simulations itself, I have here frame rates about 50, but once I'm saving using GPU, they drop a little bit to around 40. Nevertheless, as soon as I start recording, this will increase to 50. So this is the settings that I'm using. As you can see, there is a very good flow rate of frames, and the settings are these ones. So I use desync on in order to make it smooth. Also use triple buffering to avoid some jumps between the frames. Always use 50. Once the GPU in normal scenario can do more, so like I said before, I use 50 in order to save some CPU power to the aircraft and general simulation itself. So unfortunately I have to use these texture settings, because otherwise we'll run out of memory in this or in that scenario. You can use these two low settings to filtering the textures also. About the scenario, you should keep more or less the default, otherwise you might have problems in scenarios. I just reduced the reflections and removed the bathymetry. About lighting, I also use pretty much the defaults, but I removed the casts in order to save some speed to another things that are more interesting. Weather, I need to keep weather extremely low. If you are using things like some weather generators or something like that, there will be a huge massive weather systems over there, so in order to avoid out of memory systems you should keep these always low. But even with these low settings, the general outcome is pretty nice. And traffic, of course, I reduce it at this level just up to 20%, just in order to give me some realism and in order to have a very high number of frames per second. And that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and as you can see, everything is really smooth. I will do also walk around. As you can see, it's extremely smooth. That's it, so I hope that you have enjoyed. See you next video.